Apply spray adhesive to the back of your stencil and hang it with blue painter's tape on your wall. Roll on Deco Art's forest green acrylic paint over stencil number 1, covering the entire stem. Then take Folk Art's raw umber acrylic paint and shade one side of your stem. Do the same thing for both of your leaves. Now take Anita's powder green acrylic paint and dry brush the opposite side of your stem. This will give the stem some dimension. Position stencil number 2 on the wall. Roll on white latex paint as it is more opaque than acrylics. Once dry, shade the bottom and tips of the flower with your raw umber color. It is very important to use a dry brushing technique while shading. The brush should have little paint and basically dry. Now, take stencil number 3, the overlay, and place it on top of the white once it is dry. With either a dense foam roller or a 3 1/4 inch professional stencil brush, fill in the design with Folk Art's Cardinal Red acrylic paint. Then, shade the bottom and tips again with raw umber. Last but not least, place your masking stencil over the flower. Go back in and shade with your raw umber color. Use the dry brushing technique again for the perfect shadow. Repeat the same process for your Flemish tulip stencil.